Hi, my name is Govind Acharya, and I'm the Principal Analyst in the University of California, Davis's Budget and Institutional Analysis Office. I'm excited that you are taking my course. You can reach me on GitHub, Twitter, and Instagram at the URLs you see on the screen below. Tableau's data visualization prowess is second to none, and we'll be learning a lot about its features. Some of what we learn is actually going to be quite advanced. Some is going to be fairly basic, but I think it's going to be the right mix. In section 1, you'll get started with Tableau and deal with installation and learn about the Tableau workspace. Also, we'll just talk about data visualization in general with a business case. The next section is talking a little bit about visual analytics and data. Depending on the flavor of Tableau Desktop that you have, there are a lot of ways to get the data into Tableau. The next section is about a new product that they call Tableau Prep. And we're going to talk about this product and how it will make your job of preparing software for visualizations all the more easy. The next section is about how to manage complicated ways to address myriad arrays of data sources. The next section is about filters, sets, groups, and hierarchies. The next section I consider to be probably the most important of the course. It's about calculations. We'll talk about calculated fields, table calculations, ad hoc calculations, aggregations, and we're going to introduce you to what's called level of detail calculations. The next section is about mapping in Tableau. Spatial analysis is often a challenging thing to do without dedicated software, but Tableau has done a good job of providing powerful tools that allow you to create maps that are embedded within the data sources. We're going to go into detail about what you can do to add spatial analytics to your visualizations. The next section is about advanced calculations. Advanced calculations and parameters can be intimidating at times, but we'll take them step by step to ensure that by the end of the section you'll be confident in applying advanced calculations and parameters to your project, in particular level of detail calculations. Finally, we're going to put all of our work together into dashboards. We'll first talk about what makes a good dashboard and what makes bad dashboards. So stay tuned for all of these videos coming up. I hope you have a good time, and I hope you get an opportunity to learn all about Tableau. Again, you have my contact information. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.